Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Ntopng is a web-based application for network traffic flow monitoring that is available as open freeware. It's an improved innovative Ntop type that displays network usage data, stats, and analytics. It works with many computer systems, including Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and BSD. In this video, I will show you how to install and configure the Ntopng Community Edition on Ubuntu 20.04. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. To ensure that all Ntopng dependencies are up to date, execute the following command. Ntopng has several dependencies on different packages that will be installed on its system. Therefore, install them first using the apt-get query. Use the following command to download Ntop repository for Ubuntu 20.04. Now install the Ntop repository using the following command. Once the installation is completed, update the local repository index. Now the Ntop repository has been added to your system's local repository. Run the following command to install Ntop packages. If it prompts for confirmation, hit Y and then enter to confirm. After that, Ntop packages will be installed on your system. After successfully installing Ntopng, we proceed to execute the following command so that Ntopng can start with the system. Check the status of Ntopng. Now Ntopng has been successfully installed on my system. We configure it by opening the configuration file through the GNU Nano editor. Modify the configurations as follows. You can change the interface name and port for the Ntopng application to suit your needs. In this case, we place it according to the network interface card of the VPS. Save and close it. Then restart Ntopng to apply the changed configurations above. You can use this command to check all existing interfaces of the Ntopng server in your system. If you are running a firewall, you will need to open port 3000 for Ntopng. Access with URL information and default username and password information is admin and admin. After login, you will be asked to change your password for the admin. Set a password and click Change Password. Now you will see the following similar Ntopng dashboard.